another sunny day, so we've come to Ingoldmells.
Yes, we're going to have a look around, we'll walk along the beach and see what there is.
Oh, I'm so looking forward to this.
Yeah, me too.
Ingoldmells is a coastal village and resort in the East Lindsey district of Lincolnshire. Situated 3 miles north of Skegness. Ingoldmells is a Norse word meaning the sand dunes of Ingolf.
Ingoldmells in the early days was of greater importance than the neighbouring town of Skegness, and Henry of Bolingbroke, Henry IV, held his courts here.
The sandy beaches are popular for swimming and for walking. It is unusual along the Lincolnshire coast that dogs are allowed to roam freely on the sandy South Beach all year. It is part of a long stretch of beaches that make up this part of the Lincolnshire coastline.
The popularity of the seaside resort of Skegness attracted tourists from around the country, and so Billy Butland opened the UK's first holiday camp at Ingoldmells in 1936, which today is a major employer in the area and attracts numerous tourists. During the Second World War, the Butland's camp was used as the site of HMS Royal Arthur, a shore establishment of the Royal Navy.
Fantasy Island is a large family amusement park that opened in 1995. It is the site of Jubilee Odyssey, which is the largest roller coaster of its type in the world, as well as housing the Millennium roller coaster. There is also an open-air market, being Europe's largest 7-day market situated within the park.
There is a large multi-storey car park located along Sea Lane, about 50 metres from the main entrance to the beach. There are also plenty of other facilities such as shops, pubs and places to eat, as well as a bowling alley.
At Ingoldmells Point, evidence of Roman saltworks were discovered when the work of building the concrete defences was being carried out. Prehistoric pottery kilns have also been discovered during excavation work.
It is known that the greater part of Ingoldmells, as it was, is now under the sea. Owing to the land being at sea level, the sea has gradually consumed parts of the original village. At low tide, stumps have been visible which have been taken to be the remains.
The parish church is a Grade 1 listed building dedicated to St. Peter and St. Paul and dating from 1200. Oh, it's lovely relaxing on the beach.
Yeah, it's a great way to end the day, isn't it, Dawn?
It's been wonderful, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. Really good. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.